Okay, at very first we have started the class in a two-letter word A T. Okay, so tell me, you are going to tell me, because I have throughout the class and throughout the video I have told many times, children, you are going to answer me what is the sound of A. Ah, very good. What is the sound of T? T. A, T. At. Okay, this is the sound of AT. What is the sound of AT? At. Very good. If I add C here, if I add C in this box, then this is a AT at. What is this? This is C. Very good. This is C. What is the sound of C? K. Very good. What is the sound of C? K. K. At. Cat. Cat. Okay, you can able to read it, isn't it? What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of T? T. At. You don't forget the sound of AT. What is the sound of AT? Yes. What is the sound of AT? At. Very good, children. I just written the C in the box. What is this? Cat. 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 Okay, cat. Okay, in this box now I am going to write letter B. Okay, I have just written the B in the box. What is the sound of the letter B? B. Very good. What is the sound of AT? At. Okay, just combine the letter B and AT. Bat. 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 Very nice. In bat you can bat the is, yeah, you can beat the ball. This is B and the sound of AT is at. Bat. Bat. Okay, bat. Okay, next I'm going to write, I'm just making this box little bigger. I'm going to write letter E here. E, at. E. In the box I have written letter E. What is the sound of the letter E? A. What is the sound of the letter E? A. A, at. Eight. A, E. You want to pronounce it like A, E. It should be end with A, E. Okay. E, E, at. Eat. Eat. This sounds like eat. Okay. Next letter. Next one is F. Okay, what is the sound of letter F? F. What is the sound of the letter F? F. F. At. What is the sound of the letter AT? At. What is the sound of the letter AT? At. You don't forget that. Okay, what is the sound of A? What is the sound of T? T. At. Okay, what is the sound of letter A and T? At. If I put F in this box, then F. At. Fat. Fat means so fat like me, isn't it? Fatty is fat. Fat. What is the sound of F? F. 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 At. Fat. Okay, next I am going to write H here. Okay, what is the sound of the letter A and T? At. What is the sound of the letter H? Ha. I told you na, ha ha ha. Yes. What is the sound of AT? At. Don't forget that. What is the sound of H? Ha. Ha. At. Hat. Okay, the cowboy wears a hat. I told you in activity, isn't it? Do you remember that? Yes. In activity area, the picture is, the cowboy picture is given, isn't it? I've told you. The cowboy wears hat and boot, isn't it? Okay. Ha. At. Hat. Okay. You can able to read it. You can able to read it. Ha. What is the sound of H? Ha. This is at. Hat. Hat. Okay. The sound of two-letter word A and T sounds like at. You know already. So why I am telling continuously means you can, it will help you to recollect, and it really helps you to listen it again and again. Okay. What is the sound of AT? At. Very good. Now here in this box I have written letter M. Okay, I have written letter M. What is the sound of the letter M? At, mat, mat, mat. Okay, mat. Okay, what is a mat? In your home, they will use to put a mat on the door entrance, isn't it? That is a mat. Okay, next letter. Next letter P. What is the sound of the two-letter word AT? The AT sounds like at. You know already. What is the sound of the letter P? P. P. Pat. 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 Okay. What is the sound of the letter P? Sounds like P, isn't it? What is the sound of letter P is P. P. At. Pat. Okay. At. Sound of the letter P is P. Pat. Pat. And the next letter is yes. Okay. The sound of two-letter word is very good. At. And the sound of letter yes is sat. 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 Okay. You're not stuck with this. You have to open your mouth for a, isn't it? Because it's at. No. Sat. 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 Okay. This is a sat. Okay. Let's do it. T. I'm going to write T. Okay. This is at. The two-letter word at. Then T is at. Tat. 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 Okay. T-A-T. Tat. Okay, these are the letters we have seen using the two-letter word AT. Okay, now I am going to tell you the same process, but here A-N. Okay, here A-N. What is the sound of the two-letter word A and N? A. What is the sound of the letter A? A. What is the sound of the letter N? In. Okay, I have told you already if the N comes beginning of the word, if the N comes beginning of the word, then N sounds like nose, like that, nap. Okay, if the N comes end of the word, if the N comes end of the word, then N sounds like in. In. Okay, N sounds like in. Okay, we will go through the box. Okay, tell me what is the word in the box B. Very good. What is the word in the box B? What is the two-letter word sounds like? Yes, what is the two-letter word sounds like? An. An. Okay, don't forget, like you should don't forget the two-letter word an. An. A-N. An. This is B. What is the sound of the B? Ba. Ba. What is the sound of B? Ba. Ba and ban. Okay. Ba and ban. What is the sound of the two-letter word? A-N. An. Okay. A-N. An. What is the sound of the letter B? Ba. Ba and ban. Okay. Ba and ban. Next I am going to write C here. Okay. Next letter C. What is the sound of the two-letter word A-N? An. Okay, very good. And what is this? This is C. K. What is the sound of the C? K. K and can. You can run. You can ride. They will tell no. Your teacher will tell no. You can run fast. Run fast, fast. She will tell you no. That is can. You can. Okay. K and can. Can. What is the sound of the two-letter word A and N? And. What is the sound of the two-letter word A and N? And. Okay, now tell me what is the sound of the letter C? K. K and can. Okay, let's write the next letter. Okay, now I have written letter F. Okay, what is the sound of the two-letter word A and N? An. What is the sound of the two-letter word A and N? An. Okay, now tell me what is the sound of the letter F? Yes, what is the sound of the letter F? f, f, f and fan. Okay children, tell me one more time, what is the sound of the two-letter word? A and N. A and N sounds like and. Very good. A and N sounds like and. What is the sound of the letter F? F, f, f and fan, fan. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to write one more letter. Okay, I have just written a letter J in the box. Okay, what is the sound of the two-letter word A and N? An. Very good. What is the sound of the letter J? J. J and Jan. Okay, what is the sound of the two-letter word? Yes, an. What is the sound of the letter J? J. J and Jan. Okay. You understand? You understand? Yes. The sound of the two-letter word A and N is an. Okay. The sound of the letter J is J. You know already. J and Jan. Okay. Next, L. Okay. The sound of two-letter word A, N sounds like an, isn't it? What are the sound of two-letter word A, N sounds like an. Very good. What is the sound of the letter L? This is letter L. L sounds like la. La and lan. Okay, the L sounds like la. Okay, this is an. La and lan. Okay, la and lan. Okay, what is the sound of the two-letter word A and N? An. Okay, now I have written L. What is the sound of the letter L? La. La and lan. Okay, now I am going to replace it with letter M. Okay, what is the sound of the two-letter word A and N? A and N sounds like an. Very good, you know already, isn't it? Okay, what is the sound of the letter M? M. M and man. 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 Yes, you are getting the man. Very good. Now I am going to write letter P. Okay, now I am going to write the letter P. I have written. Okay, what is the sound of the two-letter word A and N? A and N sounds like an. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, this is P. P and pan. Okay, what is the sound of the letter P? P sounds like P, isn't it? The P sounds like P. P and pan. Okay, the P sounds like P. P and pan. Okay. Next. Letter T. Okay. The A and N sounds like an. Okay. The A and N sounds like an. What is the sound of the letter T? T. T and tan. Okay. The sound of the letter T is T. T and turn. Okay. I am going to write the next letter. V. This is V. V and van. V and van. Van. Okay, you are getting the van sound. So from these two letters we have seen the lot of words and we can easily read it out, isn't it children? Okay, from these two-letter word we have seen the lot of word which helps you to improve your phonic skill as well as you can able to read the three letters. Okay, so far we have only read it out the three-letter word. Now I am going to four-letter word. Listen it carefully here. I have just drawn a rectangle like this. I am going to write a two-letter G O. Okay, what is the sound of the two-letter word A and T? At. Very good. What is the sound of letter G? Okay, tell me one by one. What is the sound of letter G? G. What is the sound of letter O? O. A-O. Go. Go. Go at. Goat. Okay, go, at, goat. Okay, listen it carefully, children. The sound of two-letter word A and T is at. Okay, now we have so far we have seen only a three-letter. Now I am introducing the four-letter G-O. Go, 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 at, goat. This is four-letter word, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I am going to introduce the five-letter word. Okay, now I am going to introduce a five-letter word F, L, O. Okay, you already know what is the sound of A-T? At. You know it already, isn't it? What is the sound of letter F? F. What is the sound of letter L? L. What is the sound of letter O? O. Flow. Flow, at. Float. Float. The ship is floating on the sea. Okay, floating. Flow, at, float. Okay, at, float. Float. Okay, now I have introduced the five-letter word. Okay, we have started with the three-letter word and we go through with tat, eat, pat, and we have seen van, pan, man, and from the at we have find it out the four-letter word and five-letter word. These are the classes we have gone through already. Okay, now I am going to tell you the sounds of some word. Okay, E-T. E-T sounds like it. It. E-D. So E-D sounds like id. 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 Okay, next. E-N sounds like in. In. E-G sounds like egg. Egg. Okay. E-T sounds like it. E-D sounds like yed. E-N sounds like N. E-G sounds like egg. Okay, let's see another set of word also. It will be help you to recall it again. I-D. Id. Id. I-D. Id. I-P. Ip. I-B. Ib. Ib. I-T. It. It. I-N. In. In. Okay, and here the special three-letter word is here. I-N-G. These three-letter word sounds like ing. Ing. Okay. I-D. Id. I-P. Ip. I-B. Ib. I-T. It. I-N. In. And the special three-letter word I-N-G sounds like ing. Ing. Okay. Let's see the next set of word. O-T. Ought. Ought. O-B sounds ob. Ob. Obligation. Okay, ob. Ob. O-D sounds like odd. Odd. Okay, if you put another R-D, then it sounds like odd. Odd. Okay. Next. O-G. O-G sounds like og. 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 O-T sounds like ought. O-B sounds like ob. O-D sounds like odd. If you put another D, then it will become odd. O-G sounds like og. Okay, let's see the next two-letter word. Okay, U-G. U-G sounds like og. Og. Okay, This A sound will definitely differ from the letter A. The letter A sounds like a. Here this is a letter U and the letter U sounds like a. Shorter U sound. Ugh. At. Not this is a at. This is at. Hat, pat, we have seen it. This is a at. This is at. This is an. Okay. Ugh, ugly. Utter. Unknown. Okay. So the U is having a different sound between U and A. The U and A sounds different. A sounds a. U sound a. That's it. Okay, so far we have seen the 2-letter word, 3-letter word and 4-letter word and 5-letter word. Now we are going to see the sounds of the 2-letter word which having its own individual sound. O, W, O, I, O, E and Y. Okay, so first we are going to see the sound of double O. For example, if you take zoo, I'm writing here zoo. I'm just writing the zoo. You're getting a oo, sound. Oo, zoo. Okay. Then COOL, cool. What is the sound of the letter C? K, isn't it? What is the sound of O? Oo. What is the sound of the 2-letter O? Oo. Cool. Okay. I'm just going to write letter P. Okay, this is P. What is the sound of the letter P? Pole. Okay. Next, I'm going to write it. Okay. What is the sound of the 2-letter word O? Oo. N, moon. Okay, moon. So these are the sound of double-letter word O. So O sounds like oo. Okay, next we have seen this. Next we are going to see the sound of OW. So OW. Owl. OW sounds like owl. Okay, so same thing. For example, put it here, cow. If you put COW, cow. Ow sound, isn't it? If you put OI, then it sounds oi. Coil. Okay. Sometimes the Y sounds like I and sometimes the Y sounds like E. Okay. For example, if you take cry, you're getting I sound, isn't it? And sometimes your I, you can get a E sound. Okay, you can get a E sound. Spy. E sound. Spy. Okay, not spy, it's a spy. E sound. Okay, sometimes in a Y you can get a I sound and E sound. Okay, these are the activities we have seen it in our phonic class. Okay, I have taught you a lot of activities and I thought that I make you and I kept you very interesting. I don't know whether it's right or wrong I'm saying, but I just tried my level best. Okay, please keep supporting my videos and especially please keep on supporting to the Pebbles. Okay, I think you are watching Pebbles throughout, I think so. So please keep on supporting to the Pebbles and please don't forget to subscribe like, and definitely you want to share, because it helps some other people to learn everything very easily without any cost, isn't it? So without this is a, you consider this is a free tuition. Okay, the Pebbles giving the free tuition for you and your friends and your children. Please keep on supporting to the Pebbles. Please don't forget, please like, subscribe, and don't forget, whatever the comments, maybe it's a negative or positive, keep on commenting. Okay, thank you, goodbye.